In this lesson, we're going to look at the repeat until function. So I'm going to go ahead and drag the repeat until out and put that into our program. So when the button is clicked, we're going to repeat until something and then do something. In this case, I want it to keep adding numbers until some condition is met. So maybe until the total value of what I've got, so if I'm adding those numbers up, until that total value is greater than a specific number. So let's see how that would work. The first thing I want is I'm going to want some kind of a variable. So I've got my variable that I'm going to work with. I'm going to start off, I'll just set that variable equal to 0 to begin with. Then I'm going to change my variable by, say we're going to change it by 3 each time. So now I've got a process where it's going to go and sets the variable equal to 0. It's going to repeat for some condition. I haven't set the condition yet. And all it's going to do is keep adding 3 to my variable. And like always, we'll go ahead and get the Scratch Cat to say that out loud for us. So get him to say for 1 second, we're going to take the variable and get him to say my variable because we've changed it by 3. And actually, I think I'm going to change the order of these so that he's going to say the variable first and then add to it and keep repeating that process. So supposing now I want to put in the condition, so I want to say when I want it to stop. Last time I said just do this 10 times. This time though, I'm going to put in a condition. And you can see we've got some operators here. This is a greater than and this is a less than. So I'm going to drag out the greater than sign. And I'm going to say, I need a variable. I need my variable back in there. I'm going to drag my variable. So I want to repeat until my variable is greater than 10. If I go ahead and run that, starts at 0, 3, 6, 9. So let's take this step by step to see exactly what's happening. My variable at the start is set to 0. It says repeat until my variable is greater than 10. Well, my variable is set to 0. So this condition, it's not true yet. So it's going to keep doing this until this happens. So the Scratch Cat says my variable, which is 0. Then it adds 3 to it, and it goes back to reevaluate this condition again. Again, it says, okay, so my variable, which is now 3, is it greater than 10? No, it's not. So it keeps doing this. It says it out loud, changes it by 3, so my variable is now equal to 6. Starts the loop over, checks again, is my variable greater than 10? No, it's not. So it goes ahead and it says, okay, say the variable 6, add 3 to it, we're now at 9. Start the loop over again. Is my variable greater than 10? No, it's not. So it can say 9. Adds 3 to it. We're now at 12. It reevaluates the loop. Is my variable greater than 10? This time, yes, it is. So because of that, the loop, the repeat stops, and it continues on, and there's nothing left for it to do. So the program ends. So that's how you use the repeat until function to do a loop.